Hi, this is Prabal Mallick. I'm a watercolor painter and this month I'll be in Goa to conduct two different watercolor workshops. So everyone thinks watercolor is a very difficult medium, but in my opinion it's a very simple medium. It's a very dynamic medium, no doubt about it, but you can paint with a lot of ease with this medium if you got the fundamentals right. So my first workshop, which is there on 28th of January, is called Introduction to Watercolors. This workshop is all about the tools, materials and the basic but most important techniques of watercolor, which will help you paint fresh, clean and transparent watercolors every time you paint. Who is this for? Well, if you're a beginner or you want to improve your technique, or you have no clue about watercolors and want to learn watercolors, this workshop is for you. So my second workshop is there on 29th of January. It's on the very next day and it's called Landscapes in Watercolor. In this workshop, I'll be demonstrating how to capture the mood of a landscape. So we'll also discuss about the process that you can use to paint from real life or from photographs, and that can help you to add some life to your landscape paintings. Again, who is this workshop for? If you're familiar with watercolors, then you can attend this workshop. If you're not familiar, you can attend the first workshop, that is Introduction to Watercolors, and then you're good to go for this one. So this is going to be my first workshop in Goa and I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and I hope to see you guys there.